Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can change your email on your PUBG mobile. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the arrow icon on the bottom right of your screen and simply go ahead and tap on settings. And over here, as you can see, there is a link account tab on the first. You want to simply go ahead and tap on link on the second, which says link a mobile number or link email. And simply, if your Gmail is already linked, it will show you a icon up here where the Apple logo is. It's going to be a Gmail logo, so you can simply tap on it and disconnect your account. And then in order for you to change your account, simply tap on link down here and tap on this link. Go ahead and enter your email address, and then a verification code will be sent to your email. And once you have entered your verification code right here, you want to go ahead and set a password and confirm the password. So that is about it on how you can change your Gmail ID on your PUBG mobile. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.